Good morning, people. I'm going to show you a few things here. This is your BGW 320, and then you just received 2 extenders in the mail. Okay, you might get it like this. You got this little QR code over here, or you might get it with nothing on it. The instructions are going to be populated on your your box. Okay, you're going to use a smart home manager. Use your At&t user ID and password. And then go into the network settings and then type in the network of the app, home network extender, add extender, okay? And then install your extender and it would follow the instructions. You will need to have these next to each other within a foot or 2 apart. Some people have said that they've been able to connect an Ethernet cord to this side and to an Ethernet cord over here, like the port 1, 2, 3, 4, doesn't matter. It'll link up to it. After a few minutes of it updating, it should see the system. You're able to disconnect it, or the app will tell you, hey, it's connected, and now we're going to go ahead and place the system. All right. So you got them hooked up. They're connected. Everything went well because this is the perfect world, right? You're gonna probably do it about 5 times because I know I did twice, and I helped another friend out, and he did his like 4 times. I'm like, what's going on? Anyway, so let's hang tight for a second. All right, so we're gonna talk about proper placement. Okay, say this is your house. Okay, this is like the size of your home. You know, you got this beautiful square home, or yeah, square home. Okay, square. Square. There you go. Hit the camera. Perfect. All right, so the At&t guy had to install this over here by the living room because the living room's on this side, or one of the bedrooms. These other rooms were undroppable for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, let's just say that this is it. Okay, so you got your kids' room over here, you got kitchen over here, and you got the master bedroom over here, and you got the dad cave over here all by himself, right? So your Wi-Fi is strongest when it's closest to the gateway. All right, so this is a 3,000 square foot home. This section here, your Wi-Fi is great. When you're in these other areas, it's gonna be the weakest. So logically, I'm gonna put my extenders in the weakest parts of the house, right? So gateway here, extender over here, extender over here, right? It should be able to reach. Incorrect. You're gonna wanna put it at the strongest point before it drops off to the weakest. On your Smart Home Manager app, it's gonna say best placement between -53 dBm and -72. So if you're within -53 and 72, you have the proper placement. I found out that through time of helping people out, -65 to 70 is your best bet, because that gets the strongest strength from this guy to here, given your spaces on this side, and this side of the house. And if you have outdoor cameras, it'll even give the 2.4 gigahertz frequency out of these 2 devices to your outdoor cameras on each end of the home. So this is going to give you the best spot. My home is small. I don't need it. This is enough. This actually covers out by my driveway. My friend's house is about 3,500 square foot. We put 3 of these in there. So yeah, 1, 2, and then another one over here. Well, the way his was, the At&t guy was able to place in the center, and these other areas were real weak. So what we ended up doing was we kind of placed one over here, one on this side, and these 2 areas back here didn't really need it, but we placed it as far as we could, and it gave the security cameras on the outside some service. All right. That's pretty much it on this. These are your extenders. This is what it looks like, or the Wi-Fi mesh system. I believe it's $10 a month at At&t. I don't know. It's $10 per. Sometimes you get 2, sometimes you get 3. I don't know what the promotions are. I don't know much about At&t's promotions. I just know sometimes I'll see like 5 of these. I'm like, God bless, it's worth it. So worth every penny. You can get about 500 megabytes a second out of here if you got the At&t fiber. So thank you guys very much for watching. See ya.